Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Reggae artist Tarrus Riley hosted a private listening party dubbed the Blem Session for his latest release, an EP. It was a musical showcase at Janga's Sound Bar in Kingston. Tarrus Riley gave patrons an exclusive performance of the tracks featured on his Blem EP. Backed by a live band and Jamaican saxophonist Dean Fraser, it was a perfect atmosphere for the invitation-only event.
Listen to the lyrics now. Well, it's so mad I give me headache, feel me mad. But me now want to use Panadol. Me a pull out when I met me a man. No matter how that girl a blow strong, I have. You know see how we should do to man.
The Blem Session also saw industry players, fans and members from the entertainment fraternity in attendance, showing their support for the reggae crooner.
Oh, the EP wicked. I have two favorites. I like Just Love, I like Kryptonite. I don't know what else there is to say. I mean, Tarrus is an exceptional artist, an exceptional performer. The performance tonight was great.
Honestly, I'm not lie. There's not one song I don't like on it. Like, everything sounds good.
Blem is the first EP for Tarrus Riley and is the follow-up to his project released back in 2014, the album dubbed Love Situation. Tarrus shares details on how he came up with the name Blem for the EP.
Every song have a different experience. You know, Trust Issues, Kryptonite, them all is different experience. So it's blending life's experience with music.
The EP, which consists of 6 tracks, was produced by Miami-based producer Izzy Beats, who also worked with Tarrus on previous album.
The vibe is just so strong, and I was working on my album and it was supposed to be something with the album, but we have so much content, we just say, you know what, let's put it up. Still, me ready to figure all of me. Well, to we make a perfect harmony. Yeah, come get them harmony. 5 foot 5, brown eyes, tell them that you're killing me. But she's my African queen, no light shining in your melanin skin. So
Blem is the acronym for Blending Life's Experiences Musically and features Ghanaian Afrobeat star Stoneboy on Gal, Girl You're Loved, Dangerous Waters with Leela Ike and Just Love alongside Naya V. Tarrus goes solo on the tracks Feel It, Kryptonite and Trust Issues. Good session, Tarrus. Grammy-winning band Morgan Heritage has earned their 10th entry on the Billboard Reggae Albums chart with their latest album, Loyalty. The 16-track set debuted at number 3 on the chart this week. Loyalty was released on August 2 by CTBC music group Membrane 7 Empire and features collaborations with Pato Rankin, Stoneboy, Popcorn, among others. This marks the 17th album for the band, who is currently on an intercontinental tour which kicked off in Nairobi, Kenya back in June and will conclude on September 22 in New York. The tour will see stops in Spain, Italy, France, Canada and French Guiana, among others. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.